To change your email notification preferences on Amazon, first open the Amazon website and sign in to your account. Move your cursor over Account and Lists at the top of the page and click Account. Next, look for Communication Preferences, or the section related to email notifications and preferences. Open the notification settings to see the different types of emails Amazon can send to you. Depending on the options available for your account, you may see notifications related to orders, deliveries, recommendations, promotions, and other Amazon services. Review each category and adjust the available preferences according to what you want to receive. For promotional or marketing emails, look for the relevant communication preference and choose the option to unsubscribe or turn off those messages, if available. After making your changes, save the preferences if Amazon provides a Save Changes button. Keep in mind that some important account, security, and order-related emails may still be sent because they are necessary for managing your Amazon account and purchases.